G'day everyone. Today I'd like to tell you a story, just a little one, about a man and a lonely plant. It all started one night at work when he was going out to where he was working for the night. He noticed a lonely plant growing in a strange place. So he went out to have a look. Didn't know what it was. Didn't know how to figure out what it was. But it looked strong. It looked like it was growing well. But he just left it be. A couple of months later, he went to the same job. And there the plant was still growing. So he went out, had a look, and it had definitely grown. Still looked strong, still looked healthy, but still wondered how that particular plant got there. And I guess the only thing he could think of is some bird ate a seed, shat it out its butt, hit the shed, slowly worked its way down into a crack. Thus, it started growing. And then he thought, he has something on his phone that he could take a photo and it would tell him what it is. So he got his phone, took a photo, and thought, bugger me, it's a fig tree. So he thought, maybe knowing that eventually that would be cut out because of where it is, he could take a trimming from it, take it home, and start growing it. Since it's a fig tree, it's fruit, why not? So he found an old bottle, cleaned it out, filled it with water, took it back to where the plant was growing, and took a trimming of the main stem. And from there, he took it home. The end. Nah, it's not the end. Here it is, the fig tree. So I'm going to plant that in a pot I've got out the back. I'm going to see if it grows, and if it does, then I'll put it somewhere and keep it, I don't know, a nice manageable size, not letting it grow too big. So I thought I'd share this with you, and in a couple of months I'll come back and we can have a look to see how it's going. I just thought maybe this might be worth saving and making sure it lives, because where it was, I'm pretty sure it would eventually be cut out, thrown out. And what I'll do is I took a video at work where the plant was, and I'll show you where it is. All right, have a look at this. Well, this is where the lonely plant was. Next to a building. You got the building there, wall, and it's just a lonely little plant. And you can see where I took the top off it. But hopefully I can get this growing and keep it alive. Alright, so here I am. This is the pot I've had here for a fair while. Dirt's in it. I've just found out that the soil is still nice and moist. Even though we've had some dry days, it's still moist, so that's good. So what I've done, I've just poked a little hole in there So what I can do is get me plant and I'll poke that in the hole. Then hopefully out the bottom and all these joints here will start rooting. Doesn't sound very good, does it? So get that in there, dig a little bit of a bowl, and use that water and water it in. Soaks in nicely. All right, there we go. It's all planted. It's a nice height. I'll keep an eye on it, and probably in a couple of months' time I'll come back, do an update video for anyone that's interested to see how it goes. And hopefully it does grow and I can plant it somewhere and get some fruit. And then I'd be happy. I've saved a plant from being chopped out and thrown out. All right, catch you in a couple of months. See ya.